Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about my air compressor. Let's get started. Alright, this is my compressor. It's a Cobalt and it is a 2-cylinder compressor with a 4 horsepower motor. But what I'm going to be talking about is this filter right there. This filter is by Steel Camel. It's been one of the best filters that I have gotten. I do have these, but these I've had them for 10 years, I believe. And I haven't changed the desiccant beads on this one for a while. When I installed this eliminated the changing of the desiccant beads. So let me show you what the installation. I'm going to be switching it because this has been there for about a couple of paint jobs already, a couple of cars that I painted, so it needs to be rechanged. But I'm going to show you the technology that it has inside. Let me exchange it real quick so you can see how easy it is to install a new one. There's a new one. See how simple that is to install. Now the reason that I exchanged it, that I know that it was already failing, is that there was a little bit of moisture coming through the line, through the air. Now I knew that it was time to exchange it. I did check the desiccants on these. They were doing good, so I knew it was this. There's another one. It does last you a while, at least 6 to 8 months, depending on how much you use it. I use it a lot, so it lasts me about 6 months. Now if you don't have all this filtration, this I just left it in there because I already had it. But all you need is this one right here. You can add 2 of them. It's a lot better, but this is all you need as of right now. So let me just take you to the bench and show you the technology that's in here. All right, this material is what's inside this filtration, this filter, this material right there. And what's inside this material is this powder right here, which I'm going to show you right now. But let me first show you what happens when water hits the filtration. Right there, I just have some regular tap water. I'm going to start pouring it into this piece of filter right here. There it is. I poured some water into that filter. Now I'm going to squeeze this filter. You're going to see what's going to come out of it. Let me come over here. Let me start squeezing it, and you'll see what's going to happen. There it is. And this is not water, this is like a gel type thing, which actually feels dry. Now let me show you the powder that's embedded in this filter, what it does. I'm going to pour it into this glass of water. there it is. This is what happened. It became like some sort of jelly, but it feels dry. It feels dry. There you go. Tried to squeeze the water out of it, but nothing came out. That's what's occurring in that filter, guys. So the air is going to go through, but not the water or the oil. And that's it. This is what's inside the filter, and this is what's inside this lining that the filter has. So that's the technology behind it right there. Now if you want to get some of these filters, here it is. That's the contact information. Tell them Faraway sent you, and they'll hook you up, guys. They're not that expensive, and you're gonna save a lot of headaches with fish eyes and everything, every contaminant that might be occurring on your paint job. Go ahead, hit them up, Steel Camel. Get yourself some filters, guys.